Oh God, no, don't. Oh well, it's done. Is this a video camera?
This is the fabulous Adrian Scott, listener.
Oh, don't.
Not the Adrian Scott listener, this is Adrian Scott at the mission control.
Have you got it rolling?
Certainly have, my son.
Oh well then, let me just do a little song and dance here. Alex, this is very disconcerting. I thought there was something. I thought it was just going to be a photo.
When I started to move all the lights about. Adrian Scott attempting a split break.
And now, for your listening pleasure. Hang on.
Are you going to do one?
Yeah, I've got to. Got loads of breaks tonight because it's a short show. They're crammed in one. Yeah, because we're going to live.
10:30 Christmas Eve.
Oh, I see.
As you can see, the studio's a mess.
Look, this is organised, for goodness sake. Just don't put me off. What have I done with it? Where's the business for you?
Tape machines. Actually, I thought the light in here would be bad, but it's not bad. Not bad at all.
It's third world, Alex, and now that we've found love. Phone's ringing.
Phone lines.
Hello, Ocean Sound. Hello, Ocean Sound. Hello? Ocean Sound.
I told you he was debonair and good looking.
I hate my picture photograph camera taken. About as photographic as a stick insect.
Action!
Action stations.
Are you going to do a link, as they say in the biz?
Beautiful. Produced by an ex-member of a band you may have heard of before called Steely Dan. Mr. Gary Katz. Steve Vela and Magic Smile. Thank you very much indeed if you sent me a little Christmas card. I do appreciate it. It's been wonderful. What I'm going to do, my show tomorrow, Christmas Day Extravaganza, between 10 and 2 a.m. tomorrow. I shall read out your Christmas cards and we'll have a little bit of a giggle between 10 and 2 so you can wind down in style this Christmas Day. In a moment we will have a little bit of third world for you.
Today's an Angela Coaches Limited Southampton.